Welcome to Big Dog Outfitters, where we handle all your firearm and firearm customization needs. Let our family help you protect yours and look good doing it. Hey, Louie here again from Big Dog Outfitters. Got a new Henry that came into the shop. I hadn't heard about this guy, so I was like, let's take it home. Do some unboxing on it. It's the Hornady Homesteader 9mm semi-automatic that takes Glock magazines. I didn't think I would see something like that from Henry. Anyway, help them get out of the more cowboy stuff now. I would like to see them stop making so many 22 commemorative guns and maybe get out some more 45-70s, 30-30s, stuff people want. We just cannot get them in the store. I haven't seen one of the cheaper, the X models, the black ones with the synthetic stocks. I haven't seen one of those in years. So, step it up, boys. All right. Let's see what we got here in the box. A piece of foam there dropped. We got the cutest Glock magazine I have ever seen. It is adorable. I don't know if it's a little 5-rounder or what, but if I could put this in my gun, I would. It's just adorable. So it looks like a 5-rounder, maybe a 10-round magazine. Looks like a charging handle there. I'll definitely need that. Get the mags out. Let's see what we got here. Inspection for ammunition. Got your inspection tags, Henry tags. Here's your manual, the Henry Homesteader 9mm Carbine. Okay. I'm excited. Let's check this guy out. What's one more thing? Magazine and well located under flash. Let's see. Let's keep that out. See what that's all about. Alright. Put this out of my way so I've got some room. That's another thing, Harry. You do not put enough padding in your cases. We've had at least 10 Henry leather guns come into the shop, and the saddest thing is the stocks are busted down here from the gun banging around and shipping, and it's just a sad thing to see. And then you got to order a new stock from Henry, and it may or may not match exactly to the forend that's on there. So should make the box a little longer, put a little padding in there. I know can't be that much more in shipping and storage and making boxes. All right, here's my little charging handle. That out. Let me check. It is indeed empty. All right. Looks like a little mag release. What is this guy? So this said the Glock mag well. Okay, so this must be Henry's own proprietary little bitty magazine, and this isn't a Glock mag. Nope, no way to hook up like a standard Glock mag. Okay, so they made it sound like it only took Glock mag. So it looks like they're doing what Ruger did with their little PC carbine, is they have their own magazines, and then it comes with a mag well so that you can use Glock magazines, which I don't know why you just wouldn't go with that. It's just so cheap and easy to find Glock magazines. Let's see what these things are going to cost. No metal line, they're super lightweight. Had to see what the price is on those guys. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. Well, those guys are a little bit of a pain to use, but it is adorable. All right. So, we got a ghost ring rear sight with just a black blade front. Looks like threaded barrel. tight. Yep, it is indeed a threaded barrel. Being a 9mm, I wonder what it's going to be, either a half 28 or half 36 would be my guess. Comes with sling swivels already on it. Nice soft pad on the back. Wonder what these levers are. Well, it's not a bolt hold open. Let's see, does the mag lock it open? The mag does indeed lock it open. So I wonder, I don't know what that lever is for. Okay, I'll have to look that up in the manual because I do not know what that lever does. Maybe it only works if you're using this mag well. I doubt it because the mag release is up here. You think that'd be some sort of bolt release? I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, right, well. I was going to try to take it apart and switch that out, but I am not going to do that right now. Doesn't look like it'd be too complicated. Have to read the manual. Let's see, so got your takedown lever. Oh, sweet. Which is reversible. So that's definitely cool. I don't know if anybody else does that. Awesome. Nice pair. Just got your little ring sight there. That's cool. Let's see. Safety on the back. You got your red dot for fire and S that they couldn't even put some white in. Make sure that you're on safe, but whatever. So down is safe, forward is fire. Let's see. Not a terrible trigger. It's got a nice clean brake on it. Still about the 5-pound mark like normal. Let's see. Model H027. All right. I wonder what those levers are for then. Extractor ring, shooting maintenance, assembly, safety, bolt hold open feature. Okay. Bolt catch is designed to engage the follower of an empty mag by pulling the charging handle back until the bolt has traveled completely rearward, pressing the bolt catch lever. Which is a bold-faced lie. Because this thing don't do nothing. Supposed to be a step to learn where the catch is. Is it not moving fully rearward? I don't know. Anyway, catch doesn't work for me. I'm going to have to pull that apart maybe at work, figure out why that isn't working. Inserting empty magazine. In that case, belt, okay. First charging handle. Alright, does it show? Okay, dry firing. Yep, and right there, some people argue about dry firing. This model may be dry fired to practice trigger pull without causing the firearm any harm. It says it right in the manual. You want to argue that stuff. You can dry fire your guns. I do not suggest it on rimfire guns, but most of your center fire guns, it's not a problem. Let's see. Placing a mag well, additional mag wells are available at Henry, so maybe they'll be doing different magazines for different companies, not just Glock. That's definitely a nice idea. That way you could switch out to whatever magazine you're using. Switch on. 3 cross pins out of the receiver. Pop magazine well front. Swap wells, reassemble, and reverse. Heck, let's give it a try. Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay. So it just kind of slides down. I didn't expect it with that angle there. That's a real light hammer spring. It's kind of cool looking. Now it works. All right. Check that out. Let's see. So just boom, slide the mag well out. New mag well in. Slide your bolt so you can get that ejector in there. It slides up. There we go. Third pin, there she is. Always trying to sneak away from me one of them. Got some spring retainers in there too, so driving them in and out shouldn't loosen things up and make it a problem. There we go. Now it looks more like a Ruger PC. But yeah. Now these magazines do not work. I don't have a Glock mag on me, or I would try it out, but cool. I'm going to leave it like that and put it on the wall. People want those Glock mags. But overall, it's an attractive gun. And the safety there is going to make that ambidextrous. You got your ambidextrous handle on each, or that you can reverse for the charging handle, which is nice. Let's see. I still don't know what's going on with that. So I'll have to figure that out. I don't know why that doesn't work. That's an odd one. All right. Anything of any importance in here besides the normal historian thing? Nope. All right, well, that's cool. I'm waiting to see if they do magazines for other guns. That'll be pretty cool. I like the idea of changing it out. You know, I want to see how much they're going to charge for their magazine. So, I mean, we'll see what they're going to price their guys at. But overall, a very nice stock. Good piece of wood. I always like when they do a dark stain on there. Got some rough texturing, not really a checkering or anything. It feels good, not overly aggressive. Overall, a very attractive gun. Henry always does a good job of making a nice looking gun. Not as cheap as some of the other guys, but that's okay. That is not the important part. They always make a good working gun. They make them look good. Give you some nice options. This is something cool I didn't expect to see from Henry, so awesome. Good job. Let's get out there and try this out. I'll see you guys next time.